ROM. ROM is basically a read-only memory. Do you remember this device? The handheld video brick game, which was actually in every kid's memory those days. So, if you think about it, these games actually came loaded into these gaming devices. It was once stored and it was not altered at all. There was no way you could change the memory of this device. You can't update the games. This was not possible. So it had a ROM. It had a read-only memory. Now this is how the ROM looks. So once it's been written by the manufacturer, once the code or the program has been written by the manufacturer, it can't be altered. So ROMs were quite cheaper those days, but it had the problem of not suitable for updating. Let's say you have sold the hardware, your motherboard is there, but you want to upgrade it, you want to change the way it works. So there's a purpose of ROM. So ROM's purpose was to hold BIOS. So BIOS is that OS. When you start your computer or your laptop, BIOS is the first OS that loads. So where is that BIOS loaded? It was loaded in your ROM. But like any other software, BIOS is also a piece of code. There might be some upgrade required, but once a hardware is being sold, once a motherboard is being sold, since ROM was only read only, it didn't give the provision to change at all. So then came the flash memories. So the modern motherboards have these flash memories where these BIOS could also be updated. So if you have a laptop, preferably Windows laptops, you might have seen you might get sometimes a prompt asking to update the BIOS. So the BIOS are still updated when it's a flash memory.